This is probably one of the most simple and practical cryptocurrency trading lessons out there on how to day trade and make a regular weekly income. It is possible to make about 5% per week or 20% every 3 weeks by following this guide. Now, in order to make an income that can replace your day job, I recommend that you start with $2,000 as your initial investment. I call this my reservoir. That way, when your average trade gives you your 10 or 20% profit, you will be making money in the hundreds every week or two. You'll see that they make dramatic 20 to 25% fluctuations a couple times a month on average. I have been trading these coins for a few years now and still do to this day. What you will also notice, however, is that the top cryptocurrencies out there, including the high capitalization altcoins, tend to move together, creating the same patterns and chart shapes, with Bitcoin and Ethereum making smaller changes in value compared to the high cap altcoins. That's why I usually trade high cap altcoins more often than Bitcoin and Ethereum. To keep things simple, and because top exchanges such as Kraken, Binance, and Bybit are no longer available to users in Canada, the US, the UK, and other parts of the world, I recommend that you use exchanges like Coinbase, Deepcoin, Changelly, Hodl Hodl, Mexc, Femex, Probit, and TradeOgre. Now let's get into trading. Once you're signed into your crypto exchange account, search up a high cap altcoin such as Chainlink and browse its market value history in the featured chart. I also use the chart on CoinGecko to get a more precise view of market values, since it has the option to view the past 3 months, which I find quite useful. As I've explained before, coins like AAV, Waves, and Chainlink make dramatic 20 to 25% fluctuations almost twice a month on average. If you look at their market history, you'll notice that oftentimes it will take about 10 days to 2 weeks to see a 20 or 24% increase, and another 10 days or 2 weeks for the coin to go back down 20 or 24%. Start off by analyzing the last 6 months to see how often your chosen coin likes to make dramatic 15 or 24% moves. Then look for these changes within the last 3 months to get a more precise look at the price differences. Once you have an idea of the coin's patterns, you will be able to tell whether or not now is a good time to invest. Is the coin within its lowest price range of the past 3 months? Is it halfway in the process of pumping up to its monthly high? Or is it currently in its monthly high and about to correct back down any day now? The trick, of course, is to buy when the crypto is low and sell when it's high. It's also not a bad idea to buy if you estimate that the coin still has another 5 or 8% to go before bouncing back down. Now, regarding how you should execute your trades, the key step that you don't want get wrong is this. With each sell, you must sell or convert all of your crypto reservoir whenever your coin increases to your predicted value, not just the percentage increase. Why is this? Because if all you do is hold onto your crypto and only sell only the percentage increases you make, you will eventually sell all of your crypto reservoir back to dollars and will have nothing left to use for long-term trading. Even worse, the money that you make back from this transient trading phase could potentially be the same or a lot less than what you started off with. So by selling all of your crypto investment every time your coin's value increases, you don't lose any value the next moment when your chosen coin's value decreases, since you would have sold your crypto back to dollars. Speaking of dollars, instead of selling your crypto for dollars when trading, it's better to simply convert your crypto to something called a stablecoin, such as USDT or USDC, whichever one your exchange offers. Stablecoins are crypto coins that don't fluctuate in market value, relatively speaking, so they are useful for holding your funds while you wait for the next low buy. Look for USDT and other stablecoins on your exchange. So once your crypto is down to its monthly low, go ahead and buy a few $1,000s worth of it. I've been trading Echelon Prime and Chainlink these days, You will want to check the value of your assets every 4 to 6 hours, just in case they hit a big price spike, which happens every now and then. Occasionally, we'll find that you reach your 10 or 15% overnight or within a small window of the day. Lastly, it's important to keep in mind that the profits you make each month greatly depend on how much crypto you keep in your reservoir or exchange wallet. You need to keep track of your profits and keep an eye on your reservoir so it doesn't diminish over time. Otherwise, the same percentage increases will amount to less profit. There you have it. Please leave a comment with any questions if there is anything else you need help with. And feel free to donate to this channel if you find my work helpful.